Gates open, they're up and racing. Forest all draws for your lead, then moving up in between runners Sharp Cookie. By the rail is Sir Barbaro, then he's sneaking in down on the inside is Ideal View. Sharp Eye by the rail. Cat May moving up, and Reading Machine is the early trailer as they round to the 3/4 mile distance. Sir Barbaro this time by about a length and a half, running in second. Forest all, then Sharp Cookies by the rail third, moving up in fourth. Ideal View. Sharp Eye comes next and running by the rail second last. Cat May, and trailing the group still is Reading Machine, heading towards the last 800 with Sir Barbaro maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Running in second is Forest all, running now in third. Ideal View, dropping back in fourth. Sharp Cookie. Sharp Eye, Cat May closing in by the rail, and Reading Machine is still in behind them as they race towards the last 450 with Sir Barbaro still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Ideal View now running in second, then on the outside Forest all. Sharp Eye, Cat May third, last Sharp Cookie, and Reading Machine with the last 200 meters more to run. Sir Barbaro still leading the field. Ideal View moving up by the rail. Sharp Eye now running in third. Forest all. Cat May with the last 100 meters. It's still Sir Barbaro by about 2 lengths. And finally from start to finish, Sir Barbaro, Ideal View, Sharp Eye, then comes Cat May, and Forest all. For your Pentapecta,